let me show you how to create conditional payment flows on Jotform Workflow. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to set conditional payment flows based on the user selection. So we're going to use conditional logic to branch off and set a different payment form based on the user selection. All right, so let's get started. This is my main workspace, and we are going to need 3 forms for this purpose. 1 for the main registration, and 2 for separating the payment system. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and first create the registration form. So let's go ahead and select form, and I'm going to use a template for this purpose. Let's go ahead and select registration forms, and there's a ton of templates available that we can select from. So let's go ahead and use this one, club membership registration form. Let's go ahead and preview this. If we like what we're viewing, let's go ahead and use this template, and we are going to differentiate what the membership is going to be for. All right, so we got a few selections here. We got the membership type, which is standard, premium, and ultimate, and we're gonna set a different pricing for these. All right, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and remove one of these, so we're working with only 2 type of membership. So we're gonna simplify it a bit, but yes, we can use all of these 3 and have different payments for each one of these. All right, so let's just hypothetically say that we set everything up just the way we need it. Settings are right, it's published, and we're good to go. So we have our first registration form. Now we need the payment forms. So we need 2 of these to separate the payment. All right, so let's go ahead and create our next form. Let's set it right here. Form, we're gonna start from scratch, classic form, and I'm just gonna add some basic elements for this purpose. We're gonna add the full name, the address, the email, and the payment system. Let's go ahead and add PayPal just for testing purposes. I am going to select the payment type, in this case for a subscription. Yes, that's what we want to do. So let's go ahead and change this. Let's again click on this. Let's click on the subscription list. We're gonna add the subscription for this purpose. It's gonna be set to standard. Here we go. The price for this one is going to be $100, and we're good to go. Let's go ahead and save this. And we have our membership system. Now we need to connect the payment gateway. In this case, I'm going to use one of my test mode payment gateways just for this purpose. You can connect different payment gateways, use the one that you actually need. All right, so we have a basic form. This is going to be for the standard plan. Here we go, and we have our first form. Again, let's just hypothetically say that it's all done. We're done with settings and publish. Let's go back into Jotform, and now let's create the ultimate plan form. So I'm going to go ahead and clone this one. Here we go. Let's go ahead and clone it. And I'm just going to change the pricing for this purpose. So we're going to change here. It's going to be ultimate. Here we go. And for the payment system, let's go ahead and go to the subscription list. And I'm going to edit this to be changed to ultimate. And this one is going to be $4.99. All right. So it's going to be more expensive. Here we go. Now, again, we can fine tune this form to have more details, to describe what the ultimate plan is going to include. Maybe ask for more questions because maybe the ultimate plan has family members included, and you can add those here on the form, and you can add as many details as needed. Okay, so hypothetically saying we're all done with building, settings, and publish. Let's go now build our workflow to set those payment systems based on conditional logic. All right, so let's go ahead and create. Let's go ahead and select the workflow. We are going to start from scratch. Here we go. We are going to kick off from a form, and that form is going to be the first form, which is a club membership registration form. This is where the flow is going to begin, and it's going to be used on every submission. Yes, you do have a custom condition in case you want to use this for a certain purpose, but in this case, every submission is going to kick off this flow. Let's go ahead and save this. Here we go. And the next workflow element is going to be the conditions. So let's scroll a bit down here, and here it is, conditional branch. Let's add it. So that means that someone is going to sign up with the form. It's going to continue, but we're going to use conditional logic to split this to different forms. So let's go ahead and add the branch here, and we're going to name this payment split. All right, here we go. And we're going to kick off with the condition. So the condition is going to be the membership type. We're going to use that element from the registration form. We're going to select this, and we are going to set to it's equal to, and in this case, we're going to say standard. Let's go ahead and save. That's one of the conditions. I'm going to add another branch. And again, if the membership type is equal to, and in this case, premium, is going to go to a different branch. We're good to go. Let's go ahead and save. Now we have 2 branches created. Now what we're going to do is add our payment forms. So let's go ahead and add it right now. Here we go. Let's go ahead and select it. Let's go ahead and add the payment form. Let's go ahead and select it. It's going to be the standard plan, which is going to be the first one. We can assign email address. We have the pre-filled details, which can save time. I really recommend this one. So let's go ahead and enable this. And it's going to grab the details from the registration form. So automatically it's going to grab the first name to first name, last name to last name, and email to email. So they don't have to fill that up again. All right. And the advanced option in case you need to. Let's go ahead and set this up. We have our standard form. So let's go ahead and connect this. Let's go ahead and click on branch, and we're going to split this to the standard forms. So if they select standard plan in the registration form, it's going to go to this specific form. Now, again, let's go into the next payment form, and we're going to branch it off too. Let's go ahead and connect it and select the branch here. In this case, payment split to ultimate. So now it's connected. Now let's go ahead and select the form here, and we're going to select the clone form that we've created. Again, we should rename this to locate it easily. Again, let's use the pre-fill option to save time. Let's go ahead and select it from here, and it already knows how it's going to be tied one with another. Let's go ahead and save this, and we're good to go. So right now, what's going to happen is when someone submits the form and select the membership plan, it's going to automatically branch off and take them to the specific form that needs to be paid. So now we have two forms that are separate with different details for specific needs where they can pay their membership. And at the end, we need to add the end option. So let's go ahead and connect this so it knows the workflow is finished. Be aware that Workflows has a lot of options available that we can take full advantage of this, including timers and more conditional logic to make this even more powerful, including approvals. So in case you need to approve a membership before you actually set it, then it's a good idea here. So maybe if someone selects the ultimate plan, you can send them to an approval system before they can even go and pay that ultimate plan. So a lot of options available here on Jotform Workflows. I hope you like this video. So that's how you're going to create your conditional payment flow here on Jotform Workflows. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the available options and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when the new videos come out. And that's a wrap.